If you're having a problem that your dryer door won't stay closed while you're drying clothes, and you haven't put duct tape on it, such as right here, it's your door latch is worn out. This piece right here is plastic, so over time, by opening and closing this door, this piece will get worn out and it won't stay tight anymore. When you close the door, this piece will close around this right here. The dryer door has 3 screws to take out. Once you've taken them 3 screws out, front of the door will pop open. This is the back of your plastic latch right here. I couldn't find my flathead screwdriver, so I'm going to use a pair of scissors. Take these scissors, pry down on this plastic piece, and then pop right out. Just like that. Take your new piece, just pop it, slide it back in there from the front, and just pop right in place. That's all it is. After you put the new piece in place, put your door back together, put your 3 screws back in. When you buy your new parts, it do come with this new piece right here. You don't have to change it, but if you want to, it's simple change. Your dryer piece may come like this with a screw. To change this piece, to take your pliers, squeeze, hold through it, pull it out. You take your new piece, just put it back in place. That's all it is. Close your door again. Good tight fit.